Hello, my TA students. So I want to quickly show you how you can send an e-card to a teacher that you want to show appreciation for during Teacher Appreciation Week, which is of course May 4th to the 8th. My challenge to you is to send your teacher an e-card to show them appreciation during Teacher Appreciation Week. So I will send you this link. It is called greetingsisland.com, and I selected cards, thank you, and then teacher appreciation. And when you click on this link, it gives you lots of different choices for cards that you can send to your teacher. You can pick whichever one of these that you like, and once you click on whichever one you like, I'm just going to click on this one. It will bring up this little page right here. Now, of course, I would like you to customize your card. So please check this or click on customize, and then it will bring up this one. And you can add anything to the front if you'd like, but the front on this one looks pretty good. So then I click on edit inside, and then I want to add some text here. Now, obviously it's best if you write your own text in here, but this website also gives you some suggested messages that you could write. So if you click on thank you, there's some already pre-written some thank you words that you could say. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. Well, then that's going to show up in my card. Well, then when I click here, then I can add my own words. So thanks not just for what you do, but for being you. Thank you for being a great teacher this school year. Make sure you sign your card and then click done. So now if you want to add anything to the back, you could if you want to, but you don't have to. But then I just hit next right here, and I want to send online. So then this screen comes up, and I want to send it via email. So then you put in your name, your email address, and then you enter in your teacher's email address. Now, if you don't know your teacher's email address, it's always the first 3 letters of their last name, the first 2 of their first name. So for example, if I was sending this card, I would type in my name. I would type in my email address. And remember, there are some teachers that have their hug me and they actually have the number 2 back there. I know Miss Schwanke is one of those teachers that there's a couple teachers with that little 3 and then 2, so they had to add the number 2 there. So just make sure you check to see what your teacher's email address is, but that shouldn't be hard for you to find. Then in here is where you actually type your teacher's email address in there. Now you can send this to more than one teacher if you would like to. You just have to type in their names. Just make sure when you write the words inside there that you're not putting one teacher's name and then sending it to another teacher. Then you can check this box if you would like. I'm just going to fill in my name here so I get this card. But again, you can check this box if you want to know that your teacher has received the card. I typically do check that box because I like to know if the people I sent the card to actually got the card or not. Then I just click send. Sometimes a screen will come up that will say, are you a robot? And then all you have to do is put a little check in that box in there, and then it will confirm that you are not a robot, and then that will actually be sent to you. So again, you can see the card if you'd like, or you can just X out of the screen and it has been sent. And you will typically get an email like this to let you know that the card has been sent to the person, and you can take a look at the card if you'd like to. So if you have any questions about how to use this website, please let me know. Super easy, but it will definitely mean a lot to the teachers that you send the message to. Thanks for watching my video.